Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a basket teapot. Really useful if you already know how to do a basket. Also really useful if you know how to do an arm jive teapot, because it's basically the same principle. This is just the basket variation. Links to those two in the description below, so it's easy for you to find them if you want to go back and have a look. But we're going to press on. The basket teapot looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. So this starts like a standard basket. We get into a teapot in a very similar way that we do in an arm jive teapot, and how long you want to walk for as you go round in the teapot is up to you. So we'll break it down. Standard basket start. So we go back, wrap, twist, round the corner. So no change to usual. From here we're going to raise the left hand, we're turning the lady, she goes around 1, the right is going to go low, the left stays high. As the lady goes round, we're going to reach around behind the lady's back with our right hand. That left hand is going over our head and drops down behind the head, so guys, take a step forwards. That's to get into our teapot position. It's quite nice if we can reach across to the far side of the lady to get to her hip, or at least to the middle of the lady's back. Don't leave the hand pulled right the way across behind the lady. And from here we're going to walk. How long you want to walk for is up to you. And then at some point, guys, we give the lady a little push to send her across behind us. We turn left, we bring that left hand down, and actually the coming to face feels like a step across. And then it's just return the lady and back. And considering this is an intermediate move and the step across is a beginner move, I'm pretty sure you're going to have that in your repertoire already. In fact, we'll do it from the other side and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, wrap 2, twist out 3, round the corner 4, turning the lady 5, into the teapot position 6, and I'm just going to go walk for 7 and 8, send the lady 1, face 2, return 3 and back 4. Obviously how long you walk for should be kind of picked for musical reasons. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a basket teapot. It's offer, wrap, twist, twist, turn and in, walk, walk, send the lady and look, return and back. And that is that. Hope that joins your repertoire of moves and becomes a good friend out on the dance floor. Do remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, so if you like the move, do that. Subscribing helps promote the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that, so go on, hit the subscribe button. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.